Check out what I'm stuck in. Lemon Avenue. Look at that car down there, man. He's stuck. It's getting bad down here. I don't even know if I'm gonna get through this here. This is terrible. You don't want to be in no little vehicle when you go through this. Ooh-wee. Oh, sir. Yeah, this is deep. I got my gear in the back, man. People wonder why I keep a life jacket. You see what's going on in Louisiana? Man, people houses up on the water. He can't go nowhere. She can't go nowhere. And it's not even finished. This is just 10 minutes worth of rain.